want to do? Oh, okay. What's our code? No. What's our code?
As a daisy.
What's it in?
As a daisy, I will be
Good.
good,
Helpful.
helpful,
Letting my light shine.
letting my light shine for Jesus.
All three of these three had won the award daisies, honor daisies. So that means they won 9 badges altogether. So before they had the following, praying, Thanksgiving and giving. Now they got the sharing, obeying, forgiving, and helping and growing. And they got their honor daisy pins already on there. And Rain, here's your honor daisy certificate. And then, I really appreciate my girls. We've had a lot of fun. We've learned a lot, haven't we? Yeah.
Yeah.